What's up, guys? What the Duck, bringing back another video. No, I haven't brought you guys one in a while. I've been busy with tests and work, stuff like that. I actually have another test here in Jacksonville this coming weekend, so I won't have a video for that. But it's a little cold here in Florida. I want to go ahead and apologize for the wind noise. But it got down to about 20 degrees last night. See if I can't find a stick to show you guys. I mean, the pond in our, or I'm sorry, the fountain in our front yard is frozen. We don't get that too much here in Florida. Like I said, I got down to about 20 degrees last night, and it's about 32 degrees right now. I just checked on my iPhone. I got this box down here, so I'm gonna try to set you guys up with the GoPro and see if we can't get any cool exhaust from the truck. Truck hasn't been cranked in about 4 or 5 days, I want to say. I actually don't daily drive the truck, so it's been sitting over here. It's been cold off and on. It got a little warmer last week. It was in the 60s. I know, like I said, it's 30 degrees right now. I know up north it's probably summertime for you guys, 30 degrees, but here in Florida 30 degrees is not very normal. And you can see we got a little bit of ice up here on top, probably some in the bed as well. Bunch of ice back here. As most of you guys know, if you're subscribed to me, the truck did just get P-pumped. It hasn't been plugged in. I don't actually have a grid heater on the truck anyways, but so this will definitely be the first cold start the truck has ever had. It just got P-pumped. It got down to 20 last night. It's been sitting for about 4 or 5 days. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on this box right here and see if we can get any good cold start for you guys.
And I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. And there's this girl, she wants me to take her home.